What's good, guys? It's your boy KP, and yeah, we're actually gonna do some work on the 240 today. But yeah, let's just get into it.
Got the 240, like I said, we're gonna go to the shop today. We got it turned on already. I am gonna go to Pro Shop Noble and get a quote, an estimate on how much it is gonna cost to fix my front end, and take a look at my engine and transmission. And from there, I'll end up working on my alignment. Maybe I'll ask him for an alignment as well, or see what's up with all that, and maybe ask him to help me find an OEM windshield with the reflect for the HUD, the HUD. So, well, yeah, that's the plan. And all right, let's go.
All right, so I just got here at Pro Shop Noble. I don't know if you can see. So I'm about to go in there. I just text Kyle. Let's see what's up.
So yeah, I just bought this 240 like in September last year.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I remember you messaged me about it.
yeah, and so honestly, I overpaid, and it needs, like, as you may know already, like from what Jock said,
Yeah.
the front end.
Well, I got it for a really good deal back in the day, and the only thing that really kept me to keep, or made me keep it, was I got that inverted hatch.
Yeah.
Once I got the inverted hatch, I was like, all right, I'll just keep the hatch. But
Fair enough.
my
yeah.
first,
Yeah,
my first 240 was a coupe, and my heart rate stayed at that.
nice.
Heads up.
Yeah.
Heads up work or
No,
No.
like my clusters didn't work. Like the only this put up. Well, all this put up the gauges except for the what's it called, the digital, and then the backlight's not working, and then the odometer's not working.
Yeah.
So,
Pretty straight out on the front end, huh?
this side's the banged up side.
Yeah.
And so everything's shifted about an inch to the right. That's zip tied down.
The hood's zip tied down.
Yeah, it won't even latch. It doesn't reach, if you can see right here.
Oh yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's something that's one of the first things I need to get done. So I
Yeah,
can,
pulling that front end. The biggest thing is the frame rail.
We can clip them. I have more zip ties too. So get under. What's up, guys? So I am actually waiting for my friend. Like, I'm helping him run an errand. So I left Pro Shop Nova, obviously, and so I was talking to Kyle, and he was saying that I need to get my frame bent. Like, it's pretty much what I already knew, but he doesn't have the machinery or the tools to make it happen. So I need to find that, get a quote, just find a body shop. I'm probably gonna go through SoCal S Chassis and put a post or something like that, see if someone can recommend a shop or find a shop near me, whatever. So that's the case on that. And so while I'm waiting to do that, I want to start getting pieces here and there, like my coolant reservoir, start doing a full-blown maintenance on the car. I haven't done maintenance yet, and I don't know when's the last time this thing has gotten maintenance. I know it sat for 2 years, so that's not good. So, I mean, I've put in oil, but I need to put, you know, oil change, oil filter, all that stuff. Coolant, transmission fluid, everything. New brakes, I need to do that. Find that electrical drain, just things those are all the things I need to get done. But pretty much I'm at the same spot. I need to find someone that can bend the frame back into place, and then I'll just go from there. They'll probably want me to take the fenders off, all the body parts, like my front bumper, all that bumper support stuff, lights, fenders. So I'll probably end up figuring out to get AAA to drop it off there and drop it off home. So the closer the better, ideally. So it's just kind of where I'm at now, and we'll see what happens. That's pretty much it. I'm driving it right now. I've been enjoying it, so it's really nice to be in the 240. It's always nice to be driving the 240, especially I don't drive it often. And I'm just excited to be making more money, going to work. Thankfully I had the day off today. And there's going to be more opportunities to make money, so I just got to keep going and take it day by day and use my time wisely, and see as everything as a blessing in disguise, or just as a blessing. So that's kind of where I am at now. Yeah, guys, this will be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Keeping updated with the 240, and I'm really excited. It's gonna cost some money, but I mean, it's a project car. What do you expect? That's what you're gonna do. Time and money, and that's just the formula, and just get it done, and then be willing to learn. So I'm excited, but thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Catch you on the flippity flip. Yeah, thank you. Peace.